Hey guys, good morning, this is Jerry. In this video we're going to quickly show you the 2022 Kia Sportage LX. And this vehicle is the 2-litre diesel, but in terms of vehicle look and spec difference, this is the exactly same vehicle as the petrol variant if you're looking for the LX Plus. And this particular color, it's called the Shadow Matte Grey. It's a very unique color to the Kia range. In flash, it almost looks like the vehicle is wrapped in a sort of matte finish grey paint. It's very cool looking, I gotta say, from a OEM factory. And let's have a look around. So standard, we have 18-inch alloys on this one, and the sheen finish two-tone alloys. And this is from that side. Oh, let's go to the boot. Press and hold allows you to unlock the boot, but because this is the sort of just entry model, One Plus entry model, so this is just the manual tailgate. In this we have a full-size spare wheel and jack and tools, and a very big storage space. It's very long actually, it's bigger than the last generation. It's very low loading as well, so it's going to be easy to load stuff in and out. You can drop the seats if you need to, and push the puzzle shelf on if you need to, and menu closing, just that. At the back we have again tons of room, so a lot more room compared to the last generation. Again, we do have fabric seats on this one. If you want leather, you can go to higher spec, either the GT line or XT line, wherever you are located. And stepping, I'm about 178 centimeters, so we'll get tons of knee room, tons of headroom, tons of leg room, everything for my storage space. And I think middle seats will be okay for any adults as well. And this is how the vehicle looks like at the front. Oh, we have two large panels at the front. Have a look at that. Before we go into further, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. And if you're looking to purchase any of the Kia, MG, Volkswagen and Nissan vehicle, you can contact us at Abit Pukoi. We are the authorized dealer for all those 4 brands. And I'll leave my email address down below if you would like to purchase anything from me personally. My name is Jerry, and yeah, let's start the vehicle up. So this one has a standard key start. So again, this is the LX Plus, so it doesn't have all the fancy features. If you do want to push start, you can go to higher spec, by the way. And now we have a full digital display at the front. You have odometer, speedo, and rev counter on the right, fuel tank, and a small display in the center panel for your adaptive cruise, for your driving information, even for your tire pressure, all that things in the middle. And as standard on the safety features, this vehicle will come with pretty much most of the modern technologies: lane keep assist, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, stop start as well from 0 to all the way to I think the speed limit, blind spot detection, rear traffic course alert, pre-collision warning, emergency braking, all those things. And in the center we do have an updated screen. So this is the 12.3-inch display with the control panel underneath as well. So the control panel is pretty easy, just press this button over here that changes into a sort of quick navigation map or quick buttons for the aircon. Otherwise, press this button and go back into the aircon display. That allows us to control the 2-zone climate control. And panel, it's all touchscreen, so swipe left and right for your display. We have map display, we have radio, we have Bluetooth, we have phone connection, and yeah, we have all the things available. So phone connections, we have Bluetooth, that's wireless, and for wired we can connect to either the USB for your sort of Apple Carplay and Android Auto phone streaming. Gear selector is pretty simple, and drive mode we have different terrain and drive. Terrain is because it explains the all-wheel drive vehicle, If you do want to if you do have the two-wheel drive, you don't have the terrain mode, otherwise switch left and right allows you to go into a different drive mode, just like that. Yeah, that's pretty much all about this vehicle. Apart from that, we have two cup holders, some storage down here, and a very deep down storage space, and a glove box that's deep enough. That's pretty much all about this vehicle. We do have the reverse camera, by the way, so you have front and rear parking sensors. And if you do want to check my video for the tutorial for this whole screen, you can check my other video about this. Otherwise, I've done a full video of the walkthrough for the LX as well. I've done a couple videos for the test drive, POV test drive. Check my other videos as well. Again, please like and subscribe. So it'll be really helpful for the channel. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.